In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add RSS feed to Squarespace. Although it is possible for you to add an RSS feed through Squarespace itself, the alternative that I'm going to show you is significantly better in terms of customization, and it's also significantly easier to implement. So the first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click the first link in the description below, which will take you to the elfsight.com platform. Once you click on the link, you'll be taken to this page right here. From here, what you want to do is go to the navigation menu, and there you will find the widgets button. Simply hover over it and then go to social, and then underneath social, about halfway down, you will see RSS feed right here. Click on that, and then that is going to take you to the RSS feed widgets page. From here, click on create widget for free, and that's going to take you to the RSS feed template section. On the left hand side, you have the templates, and on the right hand side, you have the preview of what each of the templates is going to look like on your Squarespace website. Now, bear in mind that you can customize these templates further, and I'm going to show you how in just a second, so don't worry about the overall design just yet. In my case, I want to go for a simple widget like this, maybe even a carousel so that it shows a little bit more than just one. So in my case, I'll go for this one right here. Once you've selected the template that you want to go for, click on the continue with this template button in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then here we need to add the source. Click on that and then paste the RSS URL right here. In my case, I've got a random one that I found on the internet, so I'm going to stick with this one here. You can set some filters, so add some filters if you want to. I'm not going to go ahead and set those. Then click on done right here. If you take a look on the left hand side here, you will see layout, you will see post, appearance, and settings. These options right here are for you to use to customize your widget further. So for example, if you don't want the carousel, you want a slider, you can offer a slider instead. If you want to change the post style, you can do that as well. If you don't like the colors for whatever reason, you can change the colors. You can also change this to dark mode if you like to. And there's a bunch of other things that you can change as well. I'm not going to get into too much detail about those because I don't want to make the video super long, but I'm just letting you know that these here are for you to use. So make sure to take full advantage of them. Once you're happy with the way your RSS feed looks, go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click add to website for free, and then in a couple of seconds your widget will be created. Then you'll be taken to this page, but before you land on this page, you'll be asked to log in into the platform. Now, you can either create a standalone account through the platform itself, or you can log in through Google, which is what I've done because it's much easier and quicker. Once you're all signed up, you'll be taken to this page right here, and then what you need to do is go ahead and hit the publish button in the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll be taken to the plan page. Here, we need to select a plan. Now, since this is the first widget we're using from the Elfsight platform, we can opt for the free plan right here, which supports one widget. However, in the future, if you want to unlock more functionalities or you want to use more than one widget on your Squarespace website, you will have to opt for one of the premium plans right here. But for now, let's go for the free plan. Click on select, and then that's going to take us to the page where we can copy the code for the widget that we just created. So go ahead, copy the code, and head over to your Squarespace website. Once you land on your Squarespace website, head over to the top left corner of the screen and click on edit to get into the actual editor of the website. Then you need to find a place where you want to add the RSS feed. In my case, I want to add a brand new section, so I'm going to go ahead and do that by clicking this button right here. And then I want it to be a blank section because I need to add the feed right here. Then all you have to do is go to the section, and in the top left corner of that section, you'll see this add block button. Click on that, and then click on code at the bottom right corner right here. Then this is going to add this code block to your Squarespace website. And all you have to do now is position it wherever you want, and then click on edit right here. From here on mode, make sure that this is set to HTML because the code we copied is HTML, and then delete this line of text right here, and then paste the code that we just copied before. Give it a couple of seconds, and then your widget will appear right here. Now, don't worry about the actual script disabled message here. This is only for the editor itself. I'm not even sure why it shows, but yeah, all you have to do now is resize this accordingly. I'm going to stretch mine to full width. Let me just reset that. I'm going to stretch it down even further like that. Don't worry if it doesn't look great in the editor. For some reason, it bugs sometimes. But once you actually go ahead and save and then exit and preview the website, everything is going to look great to both you and the people browsing your website. As you can see, here is my RSS feed. Now I have this arrow right here that I can use to access the contents of the RSS feed that I'm displaying through this widget. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add an RSS feed to Squarespace. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.